We are pleased to show you the 2026 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.